Hi there, welcome to BA Consulting Pro. We are continuing our series on analytics using Azure Analytics Services and Microsoft Power BI. I hope you have heard about Databricks. Databricks can be used to perform advanced data analytics, even big data analytics. But how you can use it? And if you have to work within Azure ecosystem or Azure cloud services, then what kind of service you can use it? Well, in this video, I'm going to let you know what is the service equivalent to Databricks into Azure Analytics Workspace and how you can use it. So if you are the one who would like to know more, you know the drill. Stay tuned with me till the end of this video and I'm going to let you know everything about it. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. In our previous video, we have talked about where we can store our data and how we can transform the data, what kind of analytics service we can use from Azure services over there. So far we have discussed about blob storage as well as Azure Data Factory. And in this video, we are going to talk about Azure Databricks. Azure Databricks can be used to perform big data analytics, stream analytics, as well as advanced data analytics. You can use HD Insight, Apache Spark, and not only that, you can use Python, Delta Lakes, or you can also use over there SQL. So if you are the one who would like to perform analytics on big data, or maybe you want to perform analytics on streaming data, or you want to create a data lake in Databricks, etc., then this video is for you. And not only that, if you would like to learn furthermore, then we have created a dedicated video on Databricks. You will get to know everything to kickstart your journey with Azure Databricks. So now let's see how you can connect Databricks with Power BI and how you can learn about the different components of Databricks. Azure Databricks and Power BI are two of the most powerful tools available for performing advanced data analytics. Azure Databricks is a fast, easy, and collaborative Apache Spark-based analytics platform. It allows you to run complex queries and perform advanced analytics on large datasets. Power BI, on the other hand, is a business analytics service that provides interactive visualizations and business intelligence capabilities with an interface that allows users to create their own reports and dashboards. Now, there are steps to follow when performing advanced data analytics using Azure Databricks and Power BI. So, the first step is to connect Azure Databricks to the data sources you want to analyze. Azure Databricks supports a wide range of data sources including Azure Blob Storage, Azure SQL Database, and more. Step number 2 would be process data with Azure Databricks. Once you have connected to your data sources, you can use Azure Databricks to process your data. Azure Databricks supports a wide range of data processing tasks, including data wrangling, machine learning, and more. Step number 3. Load data into Power BI. After processing your data with Azure Databricks, you can load it into Power BI for analysis. Power BI has a wide range of data visualization options, including charts, graphs, and tables, making it easy to gain insights from your data. So far, you have learned how to connect with data sources, how to process data with Azure Databricks, and how to load data into Power BI. And now the final step, that means step number 4, would be to create reports and dashboards. So finally, you can use Power BI to create reports and dashboards based on the data you have loaded. Reports and dashboards are customizable, allowing you to create visualization that best represents your data. So this is the process that how you can utilize Azure Databricks and Power BI to perform advanced data analytics. If you would like to know more about the Power BI tutorials, I have provided you all the links in the description section. Please don't forget to check them out. I hope now you have a clear understanding about Azure Databricks and its services. If you still have any question and concern, please don't forget to connect with us, and also don't forget to comment in the comment section. For more videos and updates, don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon for all the latest videos and updates. See you in the next video.